Hello guys, I'm going to the church. And before the sun come down, I need to go to the church. Oh, the sunset. You see the sunset? I'll show you the sunset. There, the sunset. I want to take a sunset. Ha? Picturean ko nga eh. It's good I was able to see the sun before the sun goes down. You see yung hanging birds. That's a hanging birds.